What is up, you guys? It's Rissa, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a Instagram followers choose my makeup. So you guys are going to be picking out my makeup. I asked you guys on my Instagram yesterday to vote on a poll. So if you guys want to be in the next video I do like this, where you guys pick out what I do, or whatever kind of video like that, make sure you follow me on Instagram at it's Rissa. It will be up here, and it will also be in the description box down below. So make sure you guys go follow me if you want to be a part of the next one. So yeah, and I have been gone for a while. I haven't posted in like a month, which is not acceptable, but I have a good reason, because I was focusing on school and I literally just finished all my finals, so I'm done. I have my associate's degree. I'm done. And now I can focus on getting my bachelor's in the fall, so we won't worry about that now. We'll worry about that later. So now I just want to focus on me, my YouTube, and put out content for you guys, because I've missed filming and editing so freaking much. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. I'm super excited about this one because I don't know what to expect. So let's just get into the video. So I have been breaking out, you guys, like as you can see, like my chin and right here, I've just been breaking out. I don't know what it is. I think I'm eating a lot more junk food than usual. Is that gonna stop me? No. I'm just gonna take some Pond's dry skin cream, because you have to moisturize your face first. I'm nervous because I have no idea what you guys voted for. Y'all, I look busted. Which primer I lied between Fenty Beauty and Too Faced primer, and 71% of you guys said Fenty Beauty. So we're gonna be doing Fenty Beauty today. So we're just gonna be putting a little bit on there. Like I said about my skin, like it just has been breaking out. So put on the primer. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I asked you guys to pick between Maybelline Fit Me and Bare Minerals, and 63% of you guys said Maybelline. So we're just gonna put that on our hands, and I'm just gonna dab it on my face. We're gonna do eyeshadow last because I'm not the best at eyeshadow, and I just want to focus on that last. Alright, so that's done. So now we have concealer. So I asked you guys to pick the Maybelline Fit Me concealer or the e.l.f. hydrating concealer, and 64 of you said the Maybelline concealer. So this is what the e.l.f. looks like. The e.l.f. concealer. I don't really like this concealer, so I'm so glad you guys picked Maybelline. So we're just gonna put that under our eyes and do that. Oh, and by the way, you guys, I have been watching this series called Married at First Sight, and I don't know if you guys heard of it or seen it, but honestly that is my favorite show right now. Like literally my whole family is binge watching that. Season 9 is on Netflix, so it just skipped to season 9 on Netflix. I don't know why I did that, but that's the one I watched on Netflix, and then I went on Hulu, and they have season 4 all the way to season 9. Like that's top 10 on my list. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is powder. So I asked you guys between Laura Mercier and Maybelline Fit Me, and actually surprisingly 56 of you said Laura Mercier and 48 of you guys said Maybelline Fit Me. I've used Laura under my eyes, and then I use Fit Me all over my face. So this is gonna be weird using it all over my face because I don't normally do that. In there, and pat it under my eye. Now I leave it there, and I'll take a brush. So I'll take a brush, and I'll just go ahead and start powdering my face. Just to kind of set it. And the only reason why I don't like Laura Mercier all over my face is because sometimes it looks a little bit like ashy. Now we're gonna wipe off my under eye. 53 of you guys said to go natural and to use the Morphe palette, like the neutral colors. And 55 of you said James Charles, a colorful makeup look. I don't know how to do colorful eyeshadow. But we're gonna just look. I looked up this girl on YouTube for like, you know, I looked up James Charles Colorful Palette, and her name is Josie Reyes. So shout out to you. She did this makeup look, so I don't wanna like take her makeup, you know. I'm gonna be following her tutorial. The James Charles Morphe palette right here. So yeah, this is what I'm working with today. I even have his brushes. Okay, let's go. Let's just do it. Oh wait, I need primer. What am I doing? First. And I'm using the e.l.f. eyelid primer, by the way. And we're gonna just put this all over. And we're gonna be putting that on our eye. I'm trying here, you guys. This is not a tutorial. Yeah, basically what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to build up the color because you guys can barely see that I have yellow. And hers is very, very pigmented. So I just want to make sure that my yellow is pigmented as well. She's using this red color right here. That fiery red. And she's putting that inside of that crease as well. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. So I'm kind of confused. Cutting her crease. And guess what? I'm not good at cutting crease, you guys. Yay! Ooh! Oh my god. Y'all, I looked up and it just jacked up my eyeshadow. Oh my god. Pink, kind of like a red in the middle and then yellow on the outside, and then we're gonna do purple on the inside. But I think for the first, you know, try, I think I did pretty good, you know? Ooh. Now we're gonna be using the purple right here. This is honestly the scariest part because if I mess up the inner corner, pretty much the whole look is pretty much over with. Like, this is the finishing product. Honestly, it looks like there's nothing on my eyelid except red. You put purple under her eyes. I'm gonna do a little bit of that. Just don't count on ever seeing me with colored eyeshadow going outside because I just don't look correct. I don't know what it is. 51% of you said natural lashes and 49% said dramatic. These are the style LA in Lily Lashes. So I said winged eyeliner, yes or no, and 73% of you said yes. Normally, if this was my makeup look, I probably wouldn't do a wing eyeliner just because the makeup is so like out there already as it is. So I probably wouldn't do a wing, but I'm following what you guys are saying. You guys obviously didn't know what the makeup was gonna look like. So winged eyeliner, and honestly, the eyeliner sucks. So now the next poll was Fenty lip gloss or a matte lip, and 73% of you said Fenty gloss. So we're gonna go with Fenty gloss. Okay, I have my lip on. This is a dark look. This is exactly why I don't do colors, because I just look too pale. So now we're gonna be doing the Glow Kit, Anastasia versus my Laura Geller in Gilded Honey. And the results are 69% of you said Anastasia, and only 31% of you said Laura Geller. So Anastasia is the winner, and we have these colors right here, so we have all this to choose from. So I'm probably gonna do like this color right here. The last thing left is setting spray. So we have Between by Urban Decay, and then we have the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. 44% of you said this one, and 56% of you said the Morphe's. I hate your hair and makeup today. The wig and the makeup.
I hate your hair and makeup today. The wig and the makeup could have enhanced your face even more to match this beautiful gown that you have. This
is the finished product, so I rate this look a 7.5, but I feel like if I did my hair like better, maybe if I took it like all out of my face, I might give this look a better rating. Oh yeah, maybe. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. If you're here and you're supporting me. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. If you guys want to go follow me on all of my social medias, it will be in the description box. Let's reach 5K on Instagram, and you know, if you follow me from this video, comment down below. I'll spam you on your page and show you guys some love. Yeah, so I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.